I'll do more content because people like that. Okay. I'm going to explore more. Yes. So, I'm going to try and drive the car right. Because I don't know what happened. As in the last video. Oh my god. What the heck is that? Oh, there's a pizza place. Oh yeah, we're gonna get some pizza. Oh no, it's... Stop! Stop! How do I stop it? Okay. Stop. Stop. Ow. That hurt a lot. Cookies for days. Oh, hello. Hello there. Giant eyeball. Oh yeah. Give me these cookies. It's mine. Stole your cookies there, sir. Oh, I really trust this cookie. What is that? Are you kidding me? The car got stuck? Oh my god. Alright, we're restarting. Felt like that one GTA episode. No, it's not episode, it's that video. Where that dude jumps out of the car.